Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to discuss about a topic. The topic name is adjective. Okay, first we know what is the mean of adjective and how can we use this adjective word in a sentence. Okay, so let's start the video and know more thing about the adjective. Clear? So you can see here is the word adjective. Okay, here is the word adjective. This, if you see the definition of adjective, the adjective was word that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it means adjective is a only a word. Okay, adjective is a word that is the describe noun or pronoun. Okay, it is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. We can say that the word that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, noun or pronoun are called adjective. It is only a word. Okay, it is a word that is the describe noun or pronoun. Here, an adjective helps us to know more about noun and pronoun by expressing their qualities. Okay, this adjective help us to know more about noun and pronouns by expressing their qualities. For example, he is a brave. I give example. He is a brave. He is a brave man. Okay, what is this? Brave man. He is a brave man. Or Nargis is a kind girl. So we can say that kind girl. Okay, and here is a person who is brave. A person who is brave. Who brave? Man is a brave, and this man indicate to the pronoun. Okay, so we can say that brave man indicate to he. Clear? So in the first sentence you can see he is a brave man. Here is the noun word man. Okay, noun word man. Man word is a noun, and here the what kind of the person? The person is the man is a brave person. Okay, and this brave man is a he. Clear? And in the second sentence, Nargis is a kind girl. So girl is a noun word. This girl word is a noun word, and here is the saying the quality or describing about the girl. What describes this word? She is. It means Nargis is a kind girl. Okay. So you can see here kind and brave. Both are the adjective word. Okay, both are the adjective word, and these adjective word describe noun and pronoun. Clear? I hope you all understand the what is the sense of the adjective and how can you know in a sentence the adjective word with the that was the described noun or pronoun. Clear? So in both sentence you can see easily. Here is the man. The word brave describe of the man. Okay, the word brave describe of the man, and this man word used for the he. Okay, so this is the adjective word, and here is the girls. Okay, girls is a noun word, and here the describe kind word this kind word describe about the girl, and this girl used for the nominative person, that was the Nargis. Okay, so here the kind and brave both are the adjective word, that is the describe about noun or pronoun. That's clear. I hope you all understand about the adjective. Clear? Now we are talking about the adjective kinds. Okay, how many kind of the noun, or how many parts of kinds of the noun or types of the noun. Okay, so easily you can see here some of the adjective kinds I have to mention here. So you can see first is adjective of quality, second is adjective of quantity, third is adjective of number, fourth is demonstrative adjective, then emphasizing adjective, and then participle adjective, and in the last you can see here is the word possessive adjective. Okay, so we have to learn one by one all kind of adjective. Okay, so first we talking about adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Clear? So adjective of quality describe the kind or quality or a person or things. Okay, adjective of quality express the kind or quality of a person or things. First you know what is the meaning of quality. Quality means virtue. Okay, it has the quality of man or things. Okay, it is the quality of man or things. It tells us, this quality tell us about the kind of person or things. What is the specialty of the person, what is the quality of the things, what kind of the things is. So this type of the sense expressed by the adjective of quality. Okay, I gave example like same she is a good boy. She is a good boy. So you can see here good boy. This good word, this is the word that is the telling about boy, and what is the this is the quality of the boy. What kind of the boy? The boy is good. Okay, it may be good or rose bad. Okay, it may be good or bad both. Okay, and same as big city, beautiful bridge. So beautiful bridge, that is the tell us about the quality of bridge, and here the city and big word express about the kind of the city, what is the shape of the city, what is the structure of the city. So this word like a good, big, beautiful, if these type of the word used before the noun or pronoun, that is the called adjective of quality, and these adjective of quality express the kind of or quality of a person or things. I hope you all understand it. This type of the word, it means the adjective of the quality telling us more about the person or things, that is the quality, that is the tell us about the quality of the things or person. Okay, so you can see good, big, beautiful, tall, small. Okay, rose, bad, etc. are the word that is the tell us the more quality of the things. You can see if the you can see here is the chalk. This chalk has a quality. What kind of the quality? It is the it is the slender. Okay, it is in the shape, it is slender, it is the white in color, it is the white, and we can say it is a big, and here is the small. Okay, small. So this is the quality, this is the feature of the things, and same as the feature of the person will be adjective of quality. Clear? Now next we have to talking about the second part of the adjective, that will be quantity. Quantity. Okay, so first we have to see its definition. The definition is adjective of quantity tell us how much of a things is meant. Okay, how much things are means, or adjective of quantity indicate how much of a thing is meant. For example, little rain, enough water. Okay, I gave example like there is not much ink in the bottle. There is not much ink in the bottle. Okay, so first you read this sentence carefully. Okay, and in this sentence first you search out the noun word. Okay, so noun word is here bottle and ink. Okay, bottle and ink. Before the bottle you can see here is the word articles word, that is the, and here is the noun word. You can see before the noun word you can see a word that is the much, and this word is tell us about the quantity of ink. Okay, quantity of ink, it is tell us the total measure of the inks, how much ink. The much word is refer to the things quantity. Okay, I tell same as like a little rain, enough water, enough water, and these type of the word. Okay, that has we cannot count. Okay, we can not count, and it is the telling us the measure of a things, measure of the things, or measure of the person, that be quantity, and we cannot count it. It is the telling us the quantity of the things or person. Okay, so this will be adjective of quality, quantity. Clear? So I think you know very well, about the ink. Ink is a uncountable noun. It is a uncountable noun, and we cannot count it. So we can express it by some words like a more, much, many, etc. are the word used for to express its measurement. So when we use this type of the word, if we can use these words with the noun word, that word will be the quantity. What kind of the adjective? Adjective of quantity. So you will see as the water is uncountable noun, and we cannot count it. Okay, water is uncountable noun, and you know very well that it is enough means that is the showing us about the quantity of the waters. Okay, so this type of the word, if used with the noun or pronoun word, that word will be adjective of quantity. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now next we talking about adjective of number. Clear? Adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number and adjective of quantity, it is different to each other. Okay, you can see in adjective of quantity we have to telling us about the quantity of person or things. Okay, that is the uncountable. But in adjective of number we have to use some numbers that the use with the countable noun. Okay, first you see the definition of adjective of number. Adjective of number tell us how many people or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands. Okay, adjective of number indicates how many of a thing is meant. So you can, I gave example. Example is this box. This box contains. This box contains 10 apples. Okay. So first you see here is the box. Box is a noun word, and here is the apple. Apple word is a noun word. Okay. Before the box you can see here this, and before the apple you can see 10. Okay. So this is not telling us about the number of the noun. Okay. But in this word you can see this word 10 apples. Here is the 10 apples, that is the refer to the number of apples. Okay, and we can count the number of the apple. How many apple? There are 10 apple. Okay, how many apple? There are 10 apple. And that is the countable noun. Okay, why? Because we can count the number of apples. Okay, if you can count it, then here the show that is the how many apples. There are 10 apples. So there this 10 word, that is the refer for the apples. This 10 word is a adjective word. What kind of the adjective? It is the adjective of number. Okay, here is the 10 word used for the apples. If here is the write down, here is the write as a enough water, then we cannot count here. Okay, we cannot count here, and but here we can count. So if we count any noun word, and that countable word will be the adjective of noun. And if we cannot count any noun person, noun things, and that word, that is the you express or refer to, we cannot count, and that uncountable word used for the quantity. Clear? I hope you all understand. And when in the adjective of quantity, when we asking the question how much in a sentence, we can use how much question, then it will get our answer. Okay, but in this sentence, when we use how many words, how many interrogative words in a sentence, when we asking a question and the adjective answer the question how many, that will be given, that is the we get answer as a 10 apples, 5 apples or 4 apples. That is the will be adjective of number. Clear? So I hope you all understand the difference between quantity and number. This quantity used for the uncountable noun, and this number used for the countable noun. And it is only a word that is the used before noun or pronoun words. I hope you all understand it. We have to meet in the next video to know other part of the adjective. So thank you and thank you.